100 drones, one mothership, and it flies. Is this the future of warfare or a sitting duck in the sky? In June 2025, China will launch something the world has never seen before, a flying drone mothership called Geoton. Nicknamed the first drone aircraft carrier, this beast flies at 15,000 meters, has a range of 7,000 kilometers, and can deploy 100 mini-drones mid-air. Let that sink in. One aircraft, 100 drones, air-to-air, air-to-ground, anti-ship missiles, even guided bombs up to 2,200 pounds, and it can reconfigure its entire loadout in under 2 hours. Geoton isn't just a drone launcher, it's also a control center. Once those drones are in the sky, it stays in command. Think mobile war room, but flying. First revealed at China's Zhuhai Air Show in late 2024, this is next-level drone warfare, designed for strike missions, electronic warfare, and even search and rescue. Western analysts are calling it a flying aircraft carrier. But here's the catch. Geoton's massive size could also be its Achilles heel. Experts warn it's vulnerable to Patriot missiles, THAAD systems, and other advanced air defenses, especially in high-intensity conflicts like Taiwan or the South China Sea. Still, this is more than a proof of concept. It signals China's lead in AI-driven warfare, with systems like the WZ-7 hypersonic drone and stealth bombers already in play. If the Geoton succeeds, it could pave the way for even bigger drone carriers, possibly integrating with Chinese Navy ships like the Type ZO-76. For the US, this raises a huge question. Are we ready for swarms of autonomous drones launched from flying motherships at the edge of contested airspace? Because this isn't science fiction anymore. This is the Geoton, and it's taking off in weeks.